There we go. We're on the way back to San Diego. That's San Diego. We're gonna probably hit the traffic, but yeah, we're just gonna stop here for time. Probably so. See you soon.
I'm ready. Are you ready? Wow!
Have some shot. Have some shot so we can be stay up to San Diego. We are right here at the Grapevine. We have to climb up the mountain up there. Oh, the mountain. We have to cross the mountain to go to San Diego. Yes, it is 5 o'clock here. 5 p.m. 63 degrees. Nice weather. No ice, no snow. It's sunny.
Where over there?
Up there. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
That's a stone.
To the left over there.
Oh, the left. Snow on the top of the mountain. To clean some doo-doo. Time to clean the baby some doo-doo. There. That's our baby here in America. Doo-doo. We guys have doo-doo. Yeah. Time to the climb, guys. Time to the climb.
Not join?
Nah, Jolly. We're gonna go up to that mountain there. We're gonna go behind. We're gonna go to the other side of the mountain.
At the light, use the right lane
That
to
mountain.
merge onto I-5 South.
There's a lot of snow on the mountain. Snow.
Leftover from the last storm.
Yeah. Here it is. Time for grapevine.
We never use a cruise control. Speeding on the freeway, wait until the sun goes down. Then we gonna lose control. I'm chilling with my baby, wait until the stars come out. But when the summer is almost over, the weather is getting colder. I know I still love you. Someone like you so long, never really thought that I could fall in love. Told you, baby, listen, this ain't a commitment. Never knew that I would ever be so wrong. Checking out the ratchet girls in the beanies, staring at the cut jean shorts and bikinis. I don't even care now. I was unaware how you could give me everything I need and want.
It's V8, yeah. Look at that beautiful mountain, guys. The hill. Rolling hills. Look at the rolling hills. So beautiful. Beautiful green. Rolling hills. Nice and shape. Cutting through the mountain. Look at all that mountain. Nice mountain. Look at that. If there's a snow here, guys, it's gonna be so scary. Plus they close this road when it's really heavy snowing. If it's really windy, some of those big old trucks, sometimes they flip.
Minds up, girl, you got me tied up. We never use a cruise control. Speeding on the freeway, wait until the sun goes down. Then we gonna lose control. I'm chilling with my baby, wait until the stars come out. But when the summer is almost over, the weather is getting never use the cruise control. Speeding on the freeway, wait until the sun goes down. Then we gonna lose control. I'm chilling with my baby, wait until the stars come out. But when the summer is almost
Snow this time.
over, the weather is getting colder. I know I'm still in.
Right now we are on top of the mountain. In the winter season, they get really heavy snow over here. Heavy snow. I think it was 4,000 feet now. Not yet.
You have to look at this and watch this so I can tell you.
Up in the mountain, you can see lights. I mean lights.
Take a nap.
Look at that nice, beautiful picture. That's so pretty. That's really pretty.
California
The sky, the clouds. Wow, that is nice. The silhouette of the sun.
built the house way, way up here.
And they got a little house over there. The mountain.
Probably a dirt road that goes up there. Los Angeles County line. This is our lake.
It's a level up here. It's a nice. Yeah. We are 4,000 elevation, 4,000 feet from sea level. So we're on the top of the mountain. But this one, the highest is at 5,000 feet. 5,000 above.
6,000.
So we're still climbing. Climbing. It snowed in here. Look like they're building something up there. Yep.
Finally made my mind up, girl, you got me tied up. We never use the cruise control. Speeding on the freeway, wait until the sun goes down. Then we gonna lose control. I'm chilling with my baby, wait until the stars come out. But when the sun
We are going down, but it's getting dark, so I don't know if it's gonna be a good one. I think I'm gonna stop vlogging here, guys. So we're going down to Grapevine. It's a lot of potholes. We're going down to the Grapevine.
There it is. There it is.
Down.
Brake check.
Brake check for the brake check.
Trucks to go down to the LEDs.
we never use the cruise control. Speeding on the freeway, wait until the sun goes down. Then we gonna lose control. I'm chilling with my baby, wait until the stars come out. But when the summer is almost over,
Rockers.
weather is getting colder. I know I still have you.
Whoa.
Giddy up.
I've been waiting on
Oh,
someone
look
like
at
you.
the weather changes down there. The smog from LA. That's LA down there, guys.
That's
Smog or what?
just the beginning of the climate.
There's the beginning of the Christmas. That's the beginning of the Grapevine. They're climbing up there on the side. And we're going down.
Save gas and stay off the gas pedal.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's way up there.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
Where?
Las Vegas?
Yeah, 2,000 feet.
We're 2,000 feet. Going down 2,000 feet.
I see the traffic way over there.
Ooh, yeah.
Lights.
Alrighty, there's nothing to see much in here. Nothing but a mountain. Bye bye, guys. The sky is red.
How every single thing I need and want is you. You're so close to perfect. No, I don't deserve this. Finally made my mind up, girl. You got me tired.